Fear controls behavior temporarily, but trust changes behavior deeply. Many adults think children behave better when they fear consequences. But fear only controls the moment. Trust changes the relationship. A child who trusts emotionally does not need to hide constantly, because they believe, even if I make a mistake, connection will survive. And that belief changes everything. It changes honesty, communication, emotional openness, behavior itself. Children thrive emotionally when they feel safe enough to be imperfect humans. And sometimes, the greatest parenting shift is replacing fear with connection. Understanding changes behavior. Children do not need perfect parents. They need emotionally safe ones. Safety builds honesty.